Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Bask Bank and whether or not it's a good option for your savings account. Now, I know there are a lot of different banks out there, so it can be hard to decide which one is right for you. But I've done my research on Bask Bank, and I think it's definitely worth considering. So, let's get started. What is Bask Bank? Bask Bank is an online-only bank that's part of Texas Capital Bank. It was founded in 2022 and offers a variety of savings and CD products. One of the things that makes Bask Bank stand out is its high interest rates. As of the time of writing, their high-yield savings account has an APY of 4.65%. That's much higher than the national average for savings accounts. Another thing to consider is that Bask Bank has no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. This makes it a great option for people who are just starting out or who don't have a lot of money to save. So, is Bask Bank a good option for you? Well, that depends on your individual needs and circumstances. But if you're looking for a high-yield savings account with no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements, then Bask Bank is definitely worth considering. Here are some of the pros and cons of Bask Bank. Pros: high interest rates. No monthly fees. No minimum balance requirements. FDIC insured. Easy to use online and mobile banking. Cons: no physical branches. Limited product offerings. Overall, I think Bask Bank is a great option for people who are looking for a high-yield savings account with no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. It's also a good option for people who are comfortable with online and mobile banking. If you're considering opening a savings account with Bask Bank, I encourage you to do your research and read some reviews. You can also check out their website for more information. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, stay safe and happy saving.